make chicken sheikh kebab. These are the ingredients: pudina, onion, kothmir, chilies, garlic and ginger. First, we'll put all this in a chopper just to crush. Now this is chicken. You can see how I have cut into small pieces. First I kept in the strainer and then in the napkin. So it's completely dry. It's grinded very dry. So in this we are mixing the chopped masala. We'll take half because the jug is small, so we'll take half. Now in this we'll mix the other half. Then we have 1.5 tablespoon hung curd. This is 1 tablespoon of corn flour. This is grinded pound. I have just grind. So 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. In that we put 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of fried onions, birasta. And again I'm going to grind. Now you can see the chicken mixture is nicely grounded. Mix. You can mix with your hands. You must have marked, I have not put salt. Salt I always put last, because sometimes the meat gets very moist, burnt, cold. In that I'm putting ghee, butter, oil, whatever you can, whatever you want, and cover it just to get a smoky flavor. And keep this mixture in the fridge. Remove the coal and keep the mixture in the fridge. After an hour or so, remove the mixture again and put the salt. Then we are continuing. I will show you the same recipe. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. You can add melted butter or ghee. Adding oil or ghee, your kebabs will remain soft. Now I'm showing you to make how to make kebabs. So just make a kebab like a Shami kebab. Put the straw. This is a straw. Wet your hands with water and just press it gently in the shape of Shami kebab. Just slide the kebab into a plate as you can see. Now this is one method with the straw. Now this is the another method. So we will just slide down the kebab in the grill pan just to get grill mark. Or we can we can fry the kebab with the stick also, in case if you want. I have kept in slow. After 2 minutes, we'll turn the kebab and then we'll put it in another pan to cook on slow. Yes. Can you see the grill mark? Transfer this kebab to cook in another pan on slow fire. With the same recipe, we can make with mutton keema also. But with mutton keema, you need to add 1 tablespoon of grinded raw papaya.